Hey guys, so what is going on? Today in this video, I'm just going to show you guys how to download this insane Carbridge so you can actually watch YouTube in your car. So this app is very nice because a lot of people are very angry because they want to watch YouTube in the car, right? We got the screen right here. This car is off, so we'll not do it in the video, but there is no way to do this because they're not allowing you to use YouTube because it is a privacy concern. They think you're going to crash, right? But in this video, I'm going to show you guys how to get this app called Carbridge, which allows you to actually watch stuff in the car. So as you can see in the settings, I'm just going to show you guys, but let's go over to the USB, and you can see that these are apps that are allowed inside of the Carbridge, and one of them is going to be YouTube, and actually there's also Netflix I forgot to mention. So none of this is in the normal CarPlay system because they don't want you using YouTube because you're going to crash. They don't want you using Netflix, and these apps don't allow you to use them. So with this app, you can bypass that. I've also got Safari on here, but that might be kind of laggy. But regardless, let's get into the video, and I'm going to show you how to download this Carbridge app because it's not on the App Store if you guys didn't know. So what we need to do is go to tweakmod.com. So this is the website, guys. So on this site, there's going to be a number of apps that are modded and stuff like that. So what you want to do is just type in Carbridge, and as you can see, guys, here it is. So just press install, and before it downloads, there is going to be a verification. So this is just the last step to get Carbridge. So what it is basically, in order to install Carbridge, you have to download 2 apps from the App Store, which are free, and you just need to like complete the instructions on the apps. So I'm going to show you guys how to do it. So let's just wait for this to load. As you can see, so it's pretty wild because a lot of people don't know about this method. So that's why I thought I would share it with you guys. So let's just wait for it to load. As you can see, and it's just going to say like missing files. So you just want to download like 2 of these apps. They're all free to download. So like Family Island says reach level 11, so I could download it and reach level 11. Then there's, TikTok. It says down and run for 30 seconds. True Finance, Lucky Match. A lot of these are really easy to do. So if you guys are tired of being poor and having no Carbridge, you're gonna love this because you can do YouTube, you can do like Netflix, as you know, and you just press apply device and it will say applied whitelist. So I'm gonna see you guys later, but yeah, try it out.